Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2014 Buick Enclave. This is the leather edition, so it's loaded with features. It's also got a clean Carfax report, so no negative history, no flood, no salvage history, clean title. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features on this Enclave. As you can see, this Enclave has a really nice exterior finish, kind of an off-white or cream color. No major dents, dings, or scratches anywhere on the vehicle. No rust or corrosion. Lots of premium features with this package. You can see the chrome details on the wheels, door handles, around the windows. Dual exhaust, backup camera. Lots of premium features, only 115,000 miles. And as we mentioned, it comes with a clean Carfax report. Here's a shot of the driver's side. It's got this nice chocolate color interior. Leather's in excellent shape. Dual sunroof, heated and cooled seats, power seats. You can even see leather on the dash. It's got dual climate control, cruise control as well. Very clean on the inside. It's got the original floor mats. Overall, excellent shape. Here's a view of the second row. It's got the bucket seats here. Rear AC controls, USB charging. And of course, it's got the third row, which will fold down. Also easy access with these second row captain's chairs, which will fold down, and also they can be moved forward and backward to give you more room. No smoky smell or pet hair. This Enclave also has the power lift gate. And even with the third row folded up, you still get a pretty good amount of storage room back here, as well as this panel that comes up, giving you some more storage underneath. And then of course, as mentioned, you can fold this third row down to give you even more cargo space. And here's a shot of the passenger side. Again, you can see the leather is very clean, no rips or tears. Overall, really above average condition for this 2014 Enclave. Another nice feature on this Enclave is the wheels and tires. You can see it's got a brand new set of Firestone destination tires, so very smooth on the road, lots of life left. And then of course you also have these 19-inch chrome clad wheels, which come standard with the leather package. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2014 Buick Enclave leather with 115,000 miles. As we mentioned, it's got a clean Carfax report, so no accident history, lots of premium features. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures and information on this vehicle. And then of course you can check out our Instagram and Facebook pages, where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.